refreshing.
It is, isn't it? And they've put this beautiful drink together, which is called the Taj Mahal Serenade. Cheers. One of the 7 wonders of the world, Taj Mahal, a true symbol of love. But have you ever imagined taking inspiration from this beautiful structure and turning it into a drink? Well, I must say, libations in India are bursting with innovation. And to witness this creativity, I am in Dil Walon Ki Delhi, where I will be exploring the top bars and restaurants that have collaborated with Bombay Sapphire Creative Lab. They've created special serves inspired by the Taj Mahal, embodying the essence of saw this, made this, drawing inspiration to create something truly remarkable. Well, I'm not doing this alone. I'll be joined by the beautiful and talented Elia Ram. We're not only going to have these drinks, but also try our hands at some of them. So let's go. Hi Ellie.
Hi Kamya.
It's been amazing to see you travel all around India, and finally it's so good to catch you and make you sit right in front of me.
Yes, after what, 3 years?
After 3 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I've been seeing you explore all of India through a show, India with Ellie on Curly Tales.
Yes.
How's it going?
It's going great, and wow, it's so amazing with all the wonderful places that I'm getting to discover. The holy places, ancient knowledge, different type of foods, culture. Like there's just so much in India, right? So
Right.
I'm really feeling blessed.
Do you remember the first time you came to the capital? And what was your experience? What is it that you remember from your first time visit to Delhi?
I do remember that.
Okay.
First time I came to Delhi was for my first Bollywood film.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we actually shot Mickey Virus in Delhi. So I have like lots of memories from Delhi. I remember falling in love with the food over here.
Of
मतलब
course.
जो भी आप यहीं पे खाते हो ना, इसका taste ज़्यादा tasty है
Absolutely.
मुंबई से.
Really?
So I remember
Very
that because
controversial.
really?
Yes, if you say मुंबई से ज्यादा टेस्टी है, यहाँ पर अब जंग लड़ जाएगी हमारे कमेंट्स में कि मुंबई का खाना अच्छा है या दिल्ली का.
See, मुंबई तो मेरी जान है.
Okay.
But ये मतलब fact है.
But we are meeting on a hot summer day. The temperatures are soaring in Delhi.
My God.
But I think
is
it's
crazy.
a perfect time to cool down with some delicious drinks. Okay. So we are at home in Vasant Kunj, and they have a drink called Yumside Fizz. And I'm pretty excited to see how the mixologists have actually encapsulated the essence of Taj Mahal
Wow.
in a drink.
Wow.
Are you ready?
I'm very much ready, and probably it's gonna be a first step to come closer to Taj Mahal, because till date I have not been there.
Okay, same here. Even I haven't been to Taj Mahal.
And it's like
guys.
my dream. I so
Yeah.
want to go there. But I have actually heard this ki one should ideally go there with their life partner.
Okay.
So I feel ki okay, theek hai. So maybe that's why God has not made me go there yet.
And a step to get to closer to that is to enjoy a drink that is inspired by the Taj Mahal. So let's do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is Yumside Fizz. Okay, as you can see, it has got some rose water. And the foam that you see, it truly represents the white color of Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
You can sense rose.
The rose, yes.
Yes, it's
yeah.
so
You
evident,
can smell
right?
it also.
Yeah, it's very, very evident.
Nice.
And also, India is so rich in its history and its
It
architecture.
is.
You know, and like Taj Mahal being one of the most iconic structures of India,
Yeah.
and it has been a source of inspiration for many.
Yeah.
What is it? What was your first impression, or what did you think of a place when you saw Taj Mahal, even in pictures?
It is just like larger than life, right? It is something beyond, like, you know, you think of that whole world of like kings and queens and princess and prince, and it's like, I would say probably like the stories you grow up listening to. Like my mother, she's a storyteller as well, so she would always tell me so many stories. So you just visualize, you know, being a princess, and you know, like when you visualize, when you see something like Taj Mahal, it just like you're imagining yourself being a princess, right? In that beautiful.
Yeah. And thanks to Bollywood, you've been able to, you know, actually bring some of these dreams into reality, especially even in India with Ellie. We are sitting in the capital of India, which is Delhi. So, Ellie, I want to ask you a few questions about Delhi and want to know what are the things that you've done here. And for everything that you have done, you've got to take a sip of the Yumside Fizz.
For everything I have done.
For everything you have done.
Okay.
Okay. So, let's begin by, ever been to India Gate?
Yeah, as in like by car, I have like crossed it.
You have? Okay. Explored Delhi Heart?
Yes, I have been there.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, when I was shooting for my first film.
Have you ever gone shopping in Delhi? Like to any of the markets like Sarojini Nagar or Chandni Chowk and also bargained?
I think it is वो पहला जो आपने बोला.
Sarojini Nagar?
I think उधर गए.
Acha.
हाँ मुझे याद है. I was buying jhumkas.
Okay.
Yes, because I love jhumkas.
And did you bargain?
So वो मुझे याद नहीं है. हाँ शायद किया मैंने क्योंकि मैं वो हमेशा करती हूँ.
Acha.
हाँ मतलब that is also part of like the Greek culture.
Oh, is it?
Oh,
I
yeah.
thought it was only very Indian to bargain.
No. In fact, I'm amazing at bargaining. My dad is also amazing at it.
Delhi के momos खाए हैं?
Yes, khaya.
खाए?
Yes,
हाँ.
khaya.
And did you like it?
Yes. Because I love momos.
Have you ever been to Chandni Chowk?
नाम तो सुना.
हाँ.
लेकिन-
Movie भी है Chandni Chowk to
हाँ,
China.
exactly. Yes. Akshay Kumar का ना?
Yes,
And
yes.
Deepika Padukone, right?
Yes.
I think
correct.
so, yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know. उधर क्या होता है?
Chandni Chowk में, you know, there are like specific food gullies.
हाँ.
Like there's one only parathe wali gully where you only get parathas.
Wow, I love paratha.
Oh, you like parathas also?
Aloo ka paratha
Yeah.
with dahi and mango pickles.
Yeah. What do you like to do in your free time? How do you get creative in terms of, and how do you let your creative juices flow?
Actually, that is when I really spend time with myself. When I really like cut off from the world, I would say, you know, stay away from the phone and really just sit in my own silence. That is when suddenly things comes to me. So I actually tend to write. I used to paint a lot actually.
Okay.
बचपन में also. वो कभी-कभी मैं करती हूँ.
You mentioned that, you know, कभी sea को देखते हुए or you
Yeah.
know, just sitting. So you get a lot of inspiration from the sea and you live close to one. Yeah.
Actually, बचपन से I've always been somebody who connects a lot to the nature. I would always love to spend time in our garden.
Okay.
Or there is this lake very close by to our house. And my mom would always take me there and she would always tell me these stories. I would always hug the trees because mom always taught me to hug the trees. So I've always felt very good when I surround myself in the forest, in the nature, or by the sea. I feel very connected and very grounded. So isliye I chose to live where I live, you know,
Yeah.
because I feel that's home. That's where I don't know, like feel the best.
Yeah.
So yeah, nature does that to me. It really brings out creativity actually.
Wow, that sounds wonderful. And that's exactly what our mixologists have also done, taking inspiration from the Taj Mahal and Bombay Sapphire Creative Labs Initiative, saw this, made this. They created this beautiful drink, but time for us to actually try our hands and create our own version of a drink.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Are you ready for it?
Oh yeah?
Okay.
I'm excited.
Yeah, let's
Yeah.
do it then. So we have Jonas here with us. Okay, he's an expert at making drinks. And today he's going to teach us drink that is going to be inspired by the Taj Mahal.
So of course, when it comes to a drink that's inspired by a place, the drink both has to be delicious, but also has to look the part, right?
Oh, yes.
So in this one, you both are gonna make your own drink. I'm just gonna guide you through it.
Okay.
So you'll take your mixing glass, both of you,
Okay.
and then you see a blue vial in front of you. This is a Mogra cordial. Mogra is a jasmine style flower.
Okay.
Okay.
So you will take your jigger or your measuring cup for one shot, which is the small part of your measuring cup of the Mogra cordial.
Okay.
Like this.
Yeah, all the way up, and then you pour that into your mixing glass.
Next, add 30 ml of sugar syrup. Add some ice to the mixing glass to keep the drink chilled and stir well to mix the flavors. Pour the drink into a beautiful serving glass of your choice. Add a Collins Pure Ice, and for the presentation, place a marble ball on the top of the ice to enhance the visual resemblance of the drink to the iconic Taj Mahal, making it a perfect iteration of saw this, made this. Top up the drink with sparkling water and finish with a few sprays of rose water. And you're done. Cheers!
But I would like to put a little bit like, no, you know what? I wouldn't put mint. I would want to put one rose petal.
Yes.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
of Taj Mahal idea.
Correct.
Yeah,
there
so
a
one
rose petal?
rose petal, yeah, for the love.
So here's to creating more drinks and here's to more creativity. Let's head to our next location. You know, the Taj Mahal has inspired so many unique poems, stories, and literature, and now even this drink will. We are at Shaz DLF Promenade, and they've put this beautiful drink together, which is called the Taj Mahal Serenade, and it depicts the journey of love, and it's been made by locally sourced ingredients from Delhi, and a beautiful amalgamation of Delhi as well as Agra coming together in this drink. So, Ellie,
Yeah, well, it looks really beautiful.
cheers.
I must say.
And don't miss out on this beautiful painting that they have
हाँ
here.
वही तो मैंने देखा
हाँ.
वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा very beautiful and then this flower I love flowers
Yeah?
yeah I love flowers so ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा चलो taste
So-
कैसा है
बहुत बढ़िया.
ooh
Nice.
it's refreshing
It is, isn't it?
Mm.
You just mentioned you love flowers. So I want
Yeah.
to know, are there any things in your everyday life that you see and actually drive a lot of inspiration from them?
Definitely nature and I would say also like on my balcony
Hmm.
I have a lot of different plants
Yeah.
so whenever I stand in my living room
Hmm.
and I just look at my balcony
Hmm.
that just I don't know it sparks something within me you know like I want to write or I want to capture something and edit it into something just create something
Yeah.
yeah together like within nature like for example matlab mere balcony se you see the full forest and you see the sea also so it's
Wow.
like it's just that depth of nature
Yeah.
and what I love like I always need to have thoda sea view
Hmm.
because what I love so much with the sea view na is that it's a never ending मतलब आप end का कभी देखते नहीं हो
True.
तो आप end से आगे भी जा सकते हो अपने सोच में so that always brings something into me you know it definitely brings a lot of peace
Yeah. I'm very intrigued to know कि you know आप all the way Sweden से यहाँ पर आए to
हाँ
have
जी.
a career of your own. You know, I was recently speaking to Nora Fatehi also.
हाँ
Similar journey as yours, just in the sense कि वो इंडिया के नहीं है, but यहाँ पर आकर उन्होंने अपना एक you know she set a career for herself and so did you.
yeah
And I know कि easy नहीं है because this is such an already crowded market, aspirational space. Everybody wants to be a part of Bollywood. You know, life का कोई ऐसा moment था where you felt like अब मुझसे नहीं हो रहा और अब मुझे वापस जाना है.
और बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ I mean it's like you said it's very tough
Yeah.
आप अकेले आ रहे हो एक एकदम अलग ही देश में है आपके माँ बाप नहीं है आपका सिबलिंग भी नहीं है
बिल्कुल.
मतलब आपका एक्चुअली कोई है नहीं है you know it's tough it's an industry where so many people wants to enter this industry and you know like I know for a fact like my father who is Greek he is also a foreigner in Sweden right उन्होंने मुझे हमेशा ये कहा कि you know as a foreigner in any country you always have to work triple so hard to get this much noticed
Right.
you know
Yeah.
it's not that you will work triple so hard and you will get this notice no that's when you will get that thoda acknowledgement कि आप भी हो you know इस देश में you know so you need to work so much more harder and honestly speaking to be able to survive here you need to have so much of patience and
Yeah.
you forget about being physically strong
Yeah.
you need to be mentally strong like how because इतने सारे लोग रहेंगे जो आएंगे who will try to break you who will try to put you down you know who will
Yeah.
try to make you feel कि you are an outsider or you do not belong here तुमको तो ये नहीं आते हैं, ये बहुत सारे चीज़ है which I'm sure happens to every foreigner in any country. I always pray to God. From the time I've been like a little girl, I've always reached out to God. In my weakest moments, it's always been God, like over my mom and dad. And I think it's the guidance from my mom. My mom has always guided me with like, you know, angels or, you know, to give a prayer to God and all of that. So I have learned this bachpan se.
Right.
So isliye when I have been completely like broken, like matlab khatam, I have always just prayed to God for strength. And I really do believe that God has blessed me with strength. And that's when I've just pulled myself together and I've remembered who I am and that this is my childhood dream. And I came here to achieve this dream and I came here to work with what I love with. And I love India.
Do you now feel like home in India?
Now, matlab kab se I feel like home. From the first day actually. From the first day I landed in India, I felt कि मैं घर आ गई हूँ.
Wow.
Seriously, I really felt that. मुझे कुछ अजीब नहीं लगा कि दाल चावल हाथ से खाते हैं या बहुत सारे चीज़ें कि फर्श पे बैठ के खाते हैं. मैंने ये सब कुछ कर दिया. And I did not feel any ajeeb about it.
Yeah.
You know, I was just like, oh, okay. You know, always just had respect and like love for it.
Yeah.
So these are not the things which I mean to say has been like a struggle or, you know, these are not the things, like not the cultural stuff, not at all.
Yeah.
I always felt very connected to it.
So we're going to play another fun game which is called Sip or Skip. So if you've done something, you take a sip. If not, then you skip.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
From these beautiful glasses or?
Yeah, these beautiful glasses, right? And the best part is they're actually sustainable and are made from repurposed Bombay Sapphire bottles.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a very good
Yeah,
thing.
and you can choose whether you want to drink from this glass or this glass. Cool.
I don't know. I can probably divide.
So have you ever been involved in an argument with the co-star on the set?
I will share my point of
Basically,
view.
creative differences.
Yeah.
And you would express yourself.
I would.
Have you ever regretted doing a particular film?
No.
No, your lip has become golden now.
Oh, Sachi?
Sachi, because of the drink. If you don't mind it, it's fine.
Comments में लिखो. अच्छा लग रहा है कि नहीं?
Okay. Ever regretted doing a film?
No. No, I'm very choosy with my work.
Film that you've rejected and regretted. Has that happened?
हाँ. है एक film.
है?
Yes. है
अच्छा.
एक film. Yes. Which I do actually. Yeah.
Ever taken stuff from hotels?
Yeah.
Yeah.
अरे हाँ पीना है.
हाँ, पीना है.
हाँ. Correct.
होटल से क्या उठाया?
होटल से yes. अरे चादर ये सब वगैरह. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Towel. नहीं, I'm joking. I've taken the क्या बोलते हैं, the toothbrush,
नहीं.
toothpaste.
नहीं, that doesn't count. वो तो वैसे ही guest के लिए होता है.
नहीं, but I have taken the
Bathroom?
हाँ, एक बहुत सुंदर वाला मुझे अच्छा लगा.
हाँ.
मैंने बोला ले ले.
अच्छा. Okay. 3 words you say when you're really angry.
हिंदी गालियाँ यूज करती हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना जब फॉरेनर्स हिंदी गालियां देते हैं तो. An actor you would never like to work with again.
नाम बताओ. हाँ एक बंदा तो है.
है.
हाँ.
आप नाम बताओगे?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
तो you're skipping it. Then you can't have a sip. तो मुझे बताओ आप दिल्ली में हैं आज हम. You do have the rest of the evening. तो कहाँ जाओगे आप एक्सप्लोर करने?
यार मुझे एक मस्त मसाला चाय पीना है.
मसाला चाय दिल्ली में. So guys,
कड़क चाय.
कड़क चाय दिल्ली
ऐसे
में.
वो क्या बोलते हैं कुल्लड़ में.
कुल्लड़ में.
हाँ.
ओह अच्छा. तो हम अपने व्यूअर्स से पूछते हैं जो दिल्ली के हैं.
हाँ.
Guys, let us know in comments below. कहाँ जा सकती है एली to have like the best कुल्हड़ चाय?
बस अपना घर मत बोलो.
Yeah, that may be difficult. वो शायद next time के लिए. Ellie, it's been wonderful hanging out with you. Okay. You're clearly enjoying that avocado. But Ellie, before we let you go, we want to know what about films, what's happening next, where else can we see you other than of course the Curly Tales YouTube channel?
मेरा बहुत सारे चीज़ है जो अभी रिलीज होने वाला है. Yeah, so I haven't announced them yet.
Okay.
But yeah, इस साल one by one it's gonna release. I'm very excited about that. I shot so much last year, and even like beginning of this year. So Yeah, I'm excited. A lot of like different new avatars of
Oh,
me.
wow.
Apart from India with Ellie, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are looking
So-
forward to that. Ellie, it's been wonderful having fun with you, enjoying
Yes.
these drinks. And we look forward to
Likewise.
doing this more. And of course, we look forward to India with Ellie series. Thank you. So what are you waiting for? Explore your city's cool joints. Bombay Sapphire Creative Lab saw this, made this, celebrates the world as a gallery and captures the essence of Indian cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Goa and Bangalore with its unique and artistic serves. In Bangalore, you can enjoy blends inspired by the pink trumpet trees. In Goa, enjoy serves inspired by the Para Road. And in Mumbai, you can enjoy drinks inspired by the gorgeous Queen's Necklace. Until next time, keep inspiring creativity. This is Kamya Jani signing off. Cheers.